Wulandari. I think that's how you pronounce it. Thank you for your request. If you would like to see a specific recipe, make sure you comment below to let me know. Mango season is almost here. It's usually April to June. And there must be about 10 mango trees within my quarter-mile walk to the main road. Look at these huge mangoes just hanging right here in front of my face. And hey, don't forget to tag me in your Instagram uploads of your creation or upload them to my rice cooker baking Facebook page. I would love to see your creations of my recipes. It is still early in the mango season, so these are the only ripe mangoes they have in my store. And we will need about 2 to 4 mangoes depending on the size and if you want to use some mangoes to top your cake as well. Cube 1 mango into 1 centimeter cubes and we'll need about half a cup. And then the other mango, we're going to puree it and we'll need about half a cup of puree mango. Now you can use a blender or food processor to puree it. And if there's still some larger pieces in it, it's okay. And if you have ever tried to bake a cake with fresh fruit that has a lot of juice, you know it's difficult to get that correct texture and moisture in your cake. And I usually measure my flour by pouring the flour into my measuring cup and then just lightly packing it and then leveling it off with a straight edge. So make sure your measurements are as close as possible. And you want to make sure you do the same thing with your other dry ingredient, just leveling them off. If you do have a food scale, it will be even better. Sift your dry ingredients into a bowl. And then drop the mango cubes into the flour mixture. Now shake it to get them all coated with flour and set that aside. You could really help me out by giving me that thumbs up below. If you're new here, I upload a new recipe every Saturday. So don't miss out. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon. And mix this for about a minute. And then add the vanilla and the mango puree. Now mix that for another minute. And now we're going to add the eggs one at a time. And mixing about 1 minute in between each egg. The yellow food coloring is optional, but it does add a little bit of bright color into the cake itself. And we're going to sift the flour into the batter a second time, saving the mango cubes aside. Then just fold the flour into the batter until almost all the white flour are gone. Then add your coconut flakes. And I did use the electric mixer for just about 15 seconds to get that coconut flakes mixed in well. Now your batter should be at this consistency. It's like a custard-like consistency. If yours is too wet or runny, then I would suggest adding 1 tablespoon of flour at a time to get it to the right consistency. Try to distribute your cake batter as evenly as possible into your pot. And now drop each mango cube into the batter, evenly spacing them out. And I'm just going to push them just right below the batter. And now spread the batter over the mango cubes. The flour-coated cubes will add a nice mango taste and texture into your cake, but won't turn your cake mushy. Watch to the end to see what I mean. And after months of dry, cool season, we finally get our first rain. This is called the mango rain because it does help the mangoes to mature and ripen to its sweetness level. And with the rain also comes the flying termites. Yep, they are attracted to any bright lights outside. They are just an annoyance. My cake was done after 3 baking, which is 1 hour and 30 minutes. And you want to make sure you cool this for about 20 to 30 minutes before cutting it. Now you can eat it plain like this, or dust it with a teaspoon of powdered sugar. And if you want to decorate the cake with fresh fruits, make sure you use whole fruits like blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, or grapes. You don't want to top it with cut fruit, or it will make your cake more soggy. Look at the whole mango cube within that cake. Have some chopped mangoes on the side for individual topping right before serving. And oh yeah! As you can see, the coated flour kept the juice from running into your soft, moist cake and turning it into a mushy pie. This is a sensational tropical cake for your next gathering. And this cake is at a 2 sweet tooth sweetness level scale. If you didn't get enough of deliciousness, then check out my other recipes right here, or binge watch my playlist for more deliciousness. So until next week, happy baking in your rice cooker.